Hey everyone, my name is Olesya, your Russian tutor. Today we are going to talk about nouns, or in Russian, имена существительные. In Russian, nouns are the names of people, places, things, or ideas, just like in English. But there is the fun part. Every Russian noun has a gender. It can be masculine, feminine, or neuter. For example, stol is masculine, машина is feminine, окно is neuter. You can usually tell by the ending. Masculine nouns often ends in consonant. Feminine in a or ya. And neuter in or ye. Let's play a quick game. I'll say a word, you guess the gender. Dom, машина, кофе. Type your answer in the comments below and I will check them out. See you in the next video.